Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Reddit account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first access your Google Chrome or any Chrome browser that you prefer and type in reddit.com on the search bar. Simply go ahead, search it up, and here in the section why I'm referring you this is that you have for deletion you have to access your account here in your browser. Once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead, three horizontal line on top, and then you're gonna go ahead, scroll down, tap on this option called settings, given just right over there, and go ahead, tap on this option called account settings, and now you can see all kind of information regarding account settings, right? So this kind of account interface gonna open up, right? So if you scroll down to the below, you're gonna find this option called delete account just right over here. Simply gonna go ahead, tap on that delete account option, and then you're simply gonna follow other prompts that Reddit will require for you to add, include. And once you have added all of the prompts, you will be able to delete your Reddit account from your Reddit like that, from your browser like that. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.